At Aadhar Sainik Academy in Hazarkant, we are excited to announce our specialized crash course for the All India Sainik School Entrance Exam 2025.
Academy Hazarkant, we're thrilled to unveil our specialized crash course for the All India Sainik School Entrance Exam 2025. This is your golden ticket to a future in defense services. Imagine air-conditioned classrooms, dedicated weekly evaluations, and a curriculum that covers every nook and cranny of the syllabus. Our experienced faculty aren't just teachers, they're mentors who'll guide you through every step of your preparation. We focus on key subjects like mathematics, English, general knowledge, and reasoning, ensuring you have all the tools to succeed. Plus, with personalized mentoring and rigorous practice sessions, you'll be more than ready to tackle the exam head-on. Why choose us? Because at Aadhar, we believe in your potential. We offer complete syllabus coverage, previous year question papers, and a peaceful, conducive environment for learning. Don't let this opportunity slip away. Secure your future as an officer in the defense.